Welcome back, guys. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I've been on this channel. I was either sick or the computer was acting up or I just didn't have time. And I do apologize for that. But we're here now and you are with me, Golden from Silence is Gold and Silence is Gold Hobbies, which is the channel you're on right now. And this is what we're going to be doing. I promised myself the next time I record, we will be making a one of the robots. Now, which I just lied to you. We're not making it this time around. I'm just showing you what we're doing because I really, really don't have time to do it today, and I am so very sorry for that. We're starting off with this one because it's 6 and above, and I'm pretty sure I can handle a 6-year-old stuff. Maybe, hopefully. I had I had this one as well, and I've been reading up on this one, which means it's been floating around in my bag, and I was going to read it when I had time, and it's just been floating around my bag. I actually haven't looked at it at all. So, I really like this company. They have a lot of good stuff for the kids, and I have done a couple of things for with them before. Uh, Meaning I watched other people do it. I didn't do anything. This one's 8, and I'm pretty sure 8 and above, and I'm pretty sure I'm not at that level yet. So we're going to go ahead and do the 6-year-old stuff. And then later on, we're going to be doing this. Um, I'm not sure what the age group is on this, but it looks a tad bit more complicated than what I'm capable of doing, which is plugging things into the wall. That is my technology. I promised myself a while ago I would try new things instead of relying on other people. There was things I always wanted to do as a child, and I didn't get to do them. Mainly because nothing against my parents, but they were, and I grew up in an age where girls did certain things and boys did certain things. Oops, sorry guys. Keep hitting my mic because it has to be really close to me because for some reason it's not picking up my voice properly, and it's garbling and swallowing some of the words I'm saying, so I'm literally have to be on top of it. I apologize if I hit it. But I grew up in that age, you know. I went at GI Joe's, I got Barbie. Barbie's boring. Now, not to everybody. Barbie is not boring to everybody. Barbie is boring to me. I wanted G.I. Joe's. G.I. Joe's got to go all the way around the world. They got to do things. He got to do things. Got to have adventures. Barbie got a pink car and shoes and clothing. I am so not that person, guys. So, another thing I always wanted to do was build things. I like to build things. My dream as a kid was to be a mechanic. And I got a pat on the head and told girls don't do those things. And you know what? Then life happened and I didn't get to do any of the things I wanted. So this is what we're going to be doing. And we're going to do all the things I never got to do as a kid. I am reliving my youth. Yes, I am having a midlife crisis. So, this is what we're going to be doing. So, we're going to open this up. Oh, it is open. I must have opened it before. Okay. So, this is it. I got 2 instruction books. Why? This one has stickers, so that's very important, guys. I got stickers. Look at the stickers. I get to do stickers. Look at it. I'm going to be a kid and I have stickers, and I guarantee you they're going to be all over the place and not on the thing. And what's this? Okay, well, that's stuff. I guess they're part one and part two. I don't know. So I decided, I don't know. One thing I don't know about this, because I didn't pay much attention. It says 5 and 1. So I think that means that we get to choose. We get to choose this one, this one, this one, or these two. And we're doing this one because it looks like WALL-E, and I liked WALL-E. WALL-E was one of my favorite movies when my kids were growing up. I liked it. So that's what the one we're going to be doing. And look at it, guys. We have the little tiny, that's not tiny. Have tiny little parts. Look at the tiny little parts. Look how tiny they are. Look at that. And it's a lot like Legos, and I love Legos. I am not creative like some people, but I do like Legos. And oh, I did open this up before. Um, little controller. And there's an app, so I can use the app, or I can use the RC. And I never do good on RCs because I always push up to do something instead of back, or it's always the opposite of what I think it should be. And I'm assuming this is a battery pack of some sort. Or maybe it's the... I know the word I want to say, but it's not coming to me. So there you go. And they give us a screwdriver, guys. Look at it. It's so tiny. Look at the tiny little screwdriver. Isn't it cute? So, that's what we're going to be doing next time. I would love to tell you we're doing it this time. I just don't have time to do it. Guys, I was not feeling very well last weekend, and I let a lot of things go, and I basically laid in bed until I felt better. And so I didn't get anything done. The problem is I didn't get anything done, and I need to get it done this weekend and out here on the real reels. So that's what we're going to be doing it. And I fell behind on my Enshrouded build on my other channel. If you haven't been watching that, why the heck not? Go watch it. It's adorable. I have to keep stuff up. And I've been struggling with that one too, because I don't know. I'm kind of done with Enshrouded. Like, not forever. I just need to recharge. So I'm babbling and I'm whining. So let's not do either of those things. So this is what we're going to be doing. What's on the back? I didn't pay attention to that. That's the app. It's just telling us about the different ones. So that's what we're going to be doing next time, guys. We're going to be doing this one right here. Look, the one like WALL-E. And I'm very excited about it. And I will see you next time, and we'll start on it. Now, I'm going to apologize. It's going to be a long one next time because I don't think I could get this done in 30 minutes. 15, 30 minutes, which is why I like to keep the channel at. And I don't think I'm going to get it done. I'm not as smart as a 6-year-old, guys. I can tell you that right now. So, join us next time and get this going. And I want to thank you for us today. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is, wherever you're at. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, a positive comment, guys. Positive. Because, well, we all can use positivity in our lives. So, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.